Let's go close to a report from Gurugram, where the administration there has tied up with a private company and organized a drive-through in the COVID vaccination program for residents of the state. This helped around 200 beneficiaries to get administered with the second dose of the Covishield vaccine. Take a look.
We have Aviral Kandelwal, who is the business head for Park Plus that deals with the malls. So they have tied up with the Gurugram administration for this drive-through COVID vaccination program. So let's ask him about this entire plan. So as a pilot project, you have started in this mall where people who are eligible for the second dose of Covishield can come and get their second dose done. So it's on-the-spot registration you have done. So could you please give it in detail about this plan and also the arrangement that you have made?
Right. So we approached the Gurugram Health Department with this idea of conducting a drive-in vaccination in malls in Gurgaon. There are a large number of malls that we've been talking to in Gurugram as well as other parts of the country, and they were all very keen to conduct drive-in vaccination in their premises. The advantage of doing drive-in is, of course, A, it takes the pressure away from hospitals, and B, there's automatic social distancing. People can get vaccinated while they're sitting in their cars. They feel a lot safer. I spoke to some of the people today, and they found it very good. They felt that going to a hospital is not very safe because they might get infected. There is a lot of crowd over there. But here, while they're sitting in the car, they can get the vaccine, and they can wait here for half an hour and then drive off.
So how many people are being vaccinated here today?
So there are 200 doses. So 200 people will get vaccinated today. This is a second dose for those who have already taken Covishield.
So now the government has come up by extending the time period for the second dose, the interval from 12 to 16 weeks, that is from 3 to 4 months. So you are going with the earlier time period, or you are going with the new time period?
So we are just following what the health department is telling us to do. They finally decide who's eligible, who's not eligible. They've set up registration desk over here. They're the ones who are guiding people whether they're eligible or not. We are just facilitating this for them.
We did, when we spoke to some of the beneficiaries here, they did say that they took the first jab in March. So it's May, so in a span of 2 months they have gone it. So what about the other people? Because we did see a long queue outside. What about the other beneficiaries who are not able to come into the 200 slot today?
Right. So there are about 10 other locations in Gurugram where we are planning to do it. The only constraint is vaccine availability. We are working very closely with the Gurugram authorities to see if we can get more vaccines to conduct this drive in other malls as well.
So will it be continuing on every day, or only on Fridays, or any other time specific that you have arranged?
So this is, again, it depends on the authorities. We are ready as soon as they tell us that there's vaccine available. Vaccines are available. We are open to setting up and quickly starting it off.
So only Covishield for now, and only the second dose.
For today, just Covishield, only second dose for people Covishield and second dose.
So you're planning to extend it for the Covaxin and also the first dose, everything, provided there are enough vaccines?
That's right, absolutely.
So that's Kandelwal explaining to us about this elaborate arrangement that they have made. What he also explained, we can also see all those who have taken the second dose, also all those who have taken the jab, they can stay here for 15-20 minutes. They'll be under the observation. They can wait in their own cars, after which they can go. So it's an on-the-spot registration. This Park Plus has, in tie-up with Gurugram administration, has started this as a pilot project here. And like he explained, once there are enough vaccines, they are planning to extend it to other malls and also to other vaccines also. With camera person Sasikanja, this is Arvind.